Hey techies, welcome back to Next Tech. Today we are going to start our new series, which is project-based series, where we are going to design live project with recordings to you and resources too. So let's start our project. So basically today what we are going to do is, and I'm sorry, Nish, I'm forgot to introduce myself again. I'm Tom, your most loved one, Tangerine. So today we are going to start our new project, which will be a playlist of multiple projects which you can use in your major projects, college stuff, etc., which is based on AI or other technical stuff. So today's project is all about calculating age weight. According to that, are you an overweight, underweight, or else you are stable? If you are overweight, what are the types of exercise you need to do? What are the type of food items you need to take to get into the stable state. Okay, so let's start our project. So techies, I'm going to explain everything from starting to ending live code such that you can have a clear view on how you need to do a project as a techie, as a software engineer, and how to integrate all items, connecting, etc., stuff. So let's move and rock on. Okay, let's come to our project page. So let's open the terminal. Takes a couple of seconds. Okay, it's ready. Yes, I trust the authors. So first, in our project, we need to connect to Gemini, means Google Generative AI. So from there, we need to get the responses. So for that, we are using Streamlit page to represent the UI and Google Generative AI LangChain to connect all this stuff. So before that, what are the files we need to have? Let's create. We need an environment file to keep our credentials. We need a requirements file, requirements dot txt text, and main file, main dot py. We are doing in Python. So these are the things. As we need Streamlit, let us have Streamlit here. So we'll increase it according to this. And we need Google API means Google API. So here I'm going to paste my API key. So the API key is here. And I'll delete this key. You can't use it. You can't cheat. So Google API requirements.txt, we are going to paste it here. And this is Streamlit. So okay, let's start our stream. First, we need to create environments. Okay, we created environments. We need to create virtual environment for us to run. So let's create a virtual environment. Always use virtual environment because sometimes the packages which you use, the technologies which you use may interfere with the global packages which you have in your system. Like you have Python in your system that may interrupt the packages. Sometimes you need to decrease the version, sometimes you need to increase the version. So it is best to use virtual environment for every new project such that you can have a clear picture on what is going on there. So let us take this, change the path. Let's create a virtual environment. Python minus MV and V. So yes, it creates the virtual environment. Just give it a time. You can see a virtual environment is created. Just give a little bit of time to it. And you can see the virtual environment is created. Just let us activate it. V scripts activate virtual environment activated, but you can see no V. So let's Control Shift P, select Python interpreter, select path, find. Let's go to check the path. It's correct. Go to scripts, select Python. Here you can see the venv such that you have entered into the virtual environment. Cool. Yeah. It's good. So let us start import Streamlit as st. Okay, let's import according to it. Okay, first, not here. Let's go to Chrome. Let's close this one. Uh, how to take API keys from .env to main file in Streamlit. You need python.env for this. You need os.env file. So let's take this, keep it in requirements.txt. Why we are using requirement.txt? Because we need to install all these applications. When we use requirements.txt, we can directly install it without any problem. So that's why we are using requirements.txt instead of installing all like in separate phases. We can directly do that using one click. Pip install python.env. Yes, done. API keys. Here you can have .env load. Let's take this main file. Let's replace it with .env. Import load.env. Yes, it's set. Later we'll install the packages. First, let's concentrate on our code. Let's .env has been installed. Next, we need to capture the responses. So for that, we are going to, once let's read this. We need to have a API key in our thing. So load.env, oh no, underscore env dot env. This loads the load environment variables from .env files, API key access. So let's take this thing, let's paste it here. We have API. So let's go to env again. Take this variable name, paste it here such that it can fetch. Here the API key is reading here. Environment.get function. Yes, it's done. So we have API key here. Then next we need to capture the LangChain, I think so. Yes, 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 yes. So for that I already have some prompts. So for LangChain we need to use this LangChain Google API. Sorry, from requirements.txt LangChain Google GenAI, and for core I think so for core LangChain core. Just give me some time. Chain core install LangChain core. So here LangChain core Streamlit for environment.env, LangChain for Google Generative AI, LangChain core here. Let's import the things, other things which we need. We need chat, Google Gen AI, Google Gen AI. We need this for chat, and we need prompt template. So for prompt template, yeah, here's the thing. And here's the thing. Let me check it again. Yes, 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 it's on the page. Core prompts here, load.env is here, API key is here. Okay, okay, okay. So first we need to load the model. So for loading the model, we have this thing. Just give me a second. Yes, here for import OS. Yes, import OS is there. We need to select the model. So here I'm selecting the model. model equals to chat Google Generative AI means Google GenAI. We are selecting the model here in the model section, Gemini 2.5 Flash. Please don't forget that you need to mention the model sections because as of now there are different types of models. So first the chat response will go to the Gemini, and from there we need to select the models from the models page, that is 2.5 Flash. So by directly keeping this, we could have a great page on, like it will directly select the model. Here temperature means we can select predictivity, like if the temperature is in between 0.0 to 0.4 or 5, it will be deprecative, and like it will give the correct response without any imagination or hallucinations. But after the zero point 0.5, this comes for the creativity part, where it will create something like creativity, where creativity goes out of the bounds. Like in some cases we need some creativity for creating new things, but right now we don't need. So let's keep it zero point 0.4. So API key, we read the API key from Generative AI. Next, we need this thing. So let's copy this. So os.environment get environment. We need Google Gemini API key. That is nothing but API key. We read it. API key. I think it dot env. Okay, cool. Dot env. Dot get Google API. We read it from environment Google API key from here. Model 2.5 flash. Temperature set. Okay, done. So let's go to the prompt template right now. So to declare the prompt template, let us take it as a prompt variable, prompt template. In this, we could have input variables for like name, age, etc. Input variables equals to, we are going to have name, we are going to have age, we are going to have weight. According to the age and weight, we are going to calculate is he overweight or underweight. So yes, next, not template, template. We are going to say it as you are an helpful assistant. You are an helpful assistant where you need to take age and you need to read age and weight from the user, and according to that you need to uh, explain him, explain them that they they are underweight or overweight or stable, and according to the condition, please suggest the exercises and diet plan to the user. Out Output. Let's give the output to must be like this. Um, Sorry, I'm sorry. Something. Yeah. this form. Output must be in this format. Then, like hi name. Okay, where you need to read age, weight from the user, and overweight or stable. Hi. So according to your age and weight, you are response with diet. The age is the weight is weight. Okay. We may make some mistakes, so let's give this to ChatGPT for the clear view. Correct the prompt, arrange it. Okay, here's the clean, correct, and well-structured prompt. You are in a helpful fitness and health assistant. Your task is okay. Nice, 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 nice. Let's copy this and let's go here. Okay, we can have the prompt template here right now. Input variables, template. Wow, 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 wow. So here's the part is done. I think so. It's done. We need some invoke function here. So let's go here. Let's talk for the in. Yes, we have the invoke function here. So it is nothing but prompt dot format. Here we are going to declare our variables. So to declare it, we need to take input first. So usually the user need to give the input. So let's take the input. So in Streamlit, we need to declare input. So let's go here and input in Streamlit. So let's go to input, which it's not this, not this, not this. Text input. So using st.text input, you can input text. So let us take name st.text underscore input. It's not giving suggestions. Let's do one thing. First, let's complete this requirements.txt. Then we'll move into that for the suggestions. So it's venv and let's check the interpreter. Find wait venv Python. Yes, cool, 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 everything cool. Let's start in our virtual environment. Pip install -r requirements.txt. Let's press enter. It'll process, it'll process, it'll process. I already have these things, so it's not taking much time. Let's wait for some more time to complete installing. procedure. Come on, come on. If it comes first, I'll hit Jerry. If it comes first, I'll hit Jerry. They all are already satisfied. I don't know, like it's creating some problem. Let's do it again. I think it's going on to the main page. Let's do one thing. Let's clear this out. Let's delete this. Let's close the terminal. Let's create the new terminal again. We already have virtual environment. Okay, it's directly gone to active. Okay, we are going to virtual environment. Okay, we are in virtual environment. So next, is it fulfilled? No Streamlit LangChain. Only code prompts has been fulfilled. LangChain Google GenAI needs to fulfill. Okay, Control Shift P. Select interpreter. Select interpreter path. Fine. Scripts. Not scripts. No scripts. Sorry. Python. So let's do it again. Come on, we need to do it again. Don't lose hope. We are going to complete this. I think it's been completed. I think so. No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Come on, Tommy boy. Yes. 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 It's done. Hey, folks. It's done. Now you can see there are no these things. Come on, let's start it. Let's minimize this. We are taking the input. So name equals to, we saw that text input. So st dot, you can see the suggestions now. Enter your name. Next age. St dot text input. Enter your age. Next weight. St dot text input. Enter your age. Yes, three parameters are done. Let's go here. Format. We are going to give this name as this name. Name. Okay, done. Age. Take input from age. Weight. Take input from weight. Yes, yes. Weight. WAGHDH. Enter your weight, etc., etc., etc. Prompt dot format. Name. Age. Weight. No need to print this. Have we give model name? Yes, model dot invoke, model dot invoke p. P means what is p? It's prompt, right? We need to give prompt. Prompt means this. We need to invoke this content. In that, we need to print content. So instead of printing, I'm sorry, my bad. Just write it in Streamlit. st.write in Streamlit will write in the whole page. So okay, I think we are we are good to go. There may be issues. Let's fix it one by one. So let's go here. Hey, come on, come on. Yeah, Streamlit run main main.py. So here we comes. Let's remove the stuff which we don't want. Has node attribute env. Sorry, I think it's env wrong. LangChain class prompt template must be prompt value str. Just give me a second. Live coding means errors. We need to rectify the errors. Hmm. No, no, no. Here we can see that prompt is nothing but this. P we are declaring variable. I'm sorry, my bad, my bad. Prompt means prompt template. We are formatting it here. We are saving it in P, and after that we are invoking P. So let's take this with a pinch of salt, and then la 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 la. Tell me, folks, is Tom and Jerry is good, or else Augie and the Cockroaches? Please mention down in the comment section. Jerry is gonna kill me. Jerry is gonna kill me for this. It's running. You can see here, running. Oh my God, how it generated directly? Okay, we didn't have this clause. We need to have this clause like when we entered these three, then it must trigger and it must produce this. So where is the for here? No. Let's now we have the invoke, right? So no problem. Prompt template, it's okay. We need to leave everything. Just invoke function will invoke everything which is already there in the thing, like prompt here, prompt goes here, prompt template, formatting is everything saved in P, it will invoke here. So if name and age and what else, wait, then please invoke this. Still, I have a doubt. Like after entering these three parameters, we need to have a submit button. Then only we can, like when we click the submit button, then only it will goes to this, right? So let's have a submit button. So submit in Streamlit. In forms, we have submit button. So let's come here. We need some forms. We need some sample code. Here we have sample code with st.form. We need to declare variables, then submit button. So okay, let's go. How we are going to do this? How we are going to do this? How we are going to do this? Okay, let's wrap it inside the form with st.form. Okay, with st.form my form. Let's wrap this variables under the form. Okay, done. Everything is wrapped under the form. And next, let's submit button. Let's create the, after entering all these details, we can have this submit button. Submit. If submitted, then proceed. Let's remove this. If submitted, then proceed. Let's refresh it again. Now we can see the view of a form, name, age, Name, age. It's weight, name, age, weight, submit button, OS, OS, ANV, temperature is good. Prompt template is good. Read the user's age, weight, determine whether they are underweight or overweight based on the conditions such as the prompt. This is their plan, everything. I am fit. Just Jerry is overweight. That's it. Prompt, if submitted, invoke. Okay, let's go, folks. So, folks, we did a small change here where I've added another parameter, height. You can see here, I've adjusted it to height, and here height in feet, weight in kgs, height here. So this was the changes, and here to height equals to height. These are the changes I did because to calculate the BMI, we need to take the height factor too. So I've changed this. So let's go. Myself, Tom. It's 20. Wait, let's say I'm fit. I'm 61. My height 5'7". Let's submit this. Let's go. Let's see the response of how it comes. Tom is a fit man. Tom is bulk. Tom is muscular. And here's hi Tom sir, according to your age, weight, height, your BMI calculates healthy weight. Based on this, here are the recommended exercises. Cardiovascular exercise, cardiovascular, I'm sorry. Strength training, flexibility, breakfast options, lunch, dinner, snacks, hydration. So these are the things which we got for Tom. Let's check for Jerry. I know Jerry eats a lot of cheese. Jerry is overweighted. I know. 61. Oh, no. Jerry is not 61. Jerry is around, I think so. 120, I think so. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Jerry's weight. Hey, Jerry's healthy weight. No, no. I don't think so. It's healthy. Let's make it 200. Huh? Jerry weight. Let us give it some time. According to your age, weight, and height, you are overweight. Yes, Jerry is overweight. I know. Here are exercises for Jerry, strength, flexibility, dietary plan. Yes, it's done. Jerry's gonna kill me. I think so. It's okay. So, folks, here's the project completed. So these are the clear picture of what we did in our project. Oh, sorry, I forgot to save this. It's okay. We got the correct output rather than that. So let's try it out again. Again, Tom. Tom's age is 20. Tom's weight is 61. Tom's height is 5.7. Here goes Tom. Don't forget to save this, okay? Don't forget. You can see a circular here when you didn't save anything. Healthy weight, okay. Let's check for Jerry, 120. Jerry weight. Overweight. See, I'm right. Jerry is overweight. Jerry is overweight. Okay, here's the things which we have. So here the folks. Our code is completed. So like this, we are going to explain you how to write a code, how to extract the code, how to take snippets from documentation, how to clarify this. Let's say this. I took the snippets from the Streamlit documentation, which we are using, and I used ChatGPT to clear out the prompt. Here, see, weight in kgs, height in feet. I've added this. I've added these extra things which I need to do. And if any error comes, I'll go here and ask ChatGPT about how to resolve this. So like that we are going to do. So hey folks, here's our project is completed. So from right now we are going to start this where we are going to live code to you. We'll explain you how to design a project as a developer, how to do it, how to perform it, and how to rock. So hey folks, this is it. So Tom signing off. Bye bye.